Maggie here again. I just wanted to say thanks again for coming to visit with us today. We really enjoyed having you. We enjoyed teaching you and sharing with you the things from Young Living, and hope that you found something out that you didn't know before, or maybe it reinforced something that you knew before and you just hadn't tried. If you liked what you saw, please drop a comment below because we'd love to hear from you. And the other thing is, if you have found that, hey, I need this stuff just as much as they do, then by all means get back with the person who invited you to this rally. If you came on your own accord, or you saw one of my or Mel's social media ads, then by all means we are willing to help you. If it was Mel, get in touch with her. If it was me, get in touch with me. And if it was nobody that you saw, you just noticed from the Young Living website that there was a rally online and you wanted to join in, then either Mel or myself would be really thrilled to help you, answer your questions, and help get you started, support you through your journey. For those of you who are new and either just got your kit or are thinking about it, or would just like to learn more about what is in the kit, Mel did a number of very short videos on each of the items in the premium starter kit, and we're going to air those right after the rally. So stick around. Even though this is the closing post, stick around because we're going to put those other videos of the premium starter kit right after this. But for all of you, thanks for joining us, and I hope to see you at the next rally. Bye.